Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Heart Fitness. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, the potential benefits of a ketogenic diet for heart failure patients. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more heart-healthy content. Let's get started. Our heart is a metabolic powerhouse, capable of deriving energy from various sources. One such source is ketone bodies, contributing to 10 to 15% of our heart's energy production. Studies suggest that our heart uses these ketone bodies in proportion to their levels in our blood. Animal studies have shown promising results. For instance, in mice, a ketogenic diet reduced heart enlargement and inhibited heart failure development. It also improved heart remodeling in another study. These findings suggest potential benefits for heart health. Let's take a real-life example. Consider Mr. Sharma, a 60-year-old with heart failure. He switched to a ketogenic diet, focusing on healthy fats and low carbs. Over time, he noticed improvements in his overall health, including weight loss and better blood pressure and sugar control. While this is just one example, it illustrates the potential benefits of a ketogenic diet. However, it's important to note that no clinical trials have directly assessed the ketogenic diet's safety and efficacy in heart failure patients. Therefore, more research is needed. Clinicians should consider potential health risks and contraindications when recommending a ketogenic diet. For example, there can be increase in LDL cholesterol, the so-called bad cholesterol. Combining the ketogenic diet with certain heart failure medications, like SGLT2 inhibitors, requires careful monitoring due to concerns about dehydration and electrolyte imbalances. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant dietary changes. In conclusion, a ketogenic diet, especially one that follows the principles of the Mediterranean diet, could be a promising therapeutic intervention for heart failure patients. But remember, more research is needed. Stay tuned to Heart Fitness for more updates on this exciting topic. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay healthy, stay fit.